everyone, and welcome to this basics tutorial. If this is your first time visiting the Blossom Crochet channel, then do make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell button right now so that you can keep up to date with all of my weekly tutorials. This very simple and very quick tutorial is simply going to show you how to create front post treble stitches. So that is front post treble in the UK. However, if you're in the US and other parts of the world, this would be your front post double crochet. So it's the same stitch, but they just use different terms depending on whether you're in the UK or not. So this is the front post treble or double crochet. So I thought I'd do this. Obviously you can use this stitch to just create blankets and scarves and whatever you like, but the purpose of this tutorial is to simply demonstrate the stitch itself, so that if you're using a written pattern and you come across something that says front post treble crochet or front post double crochet, you will be able to watch this video if you needed to and know how to do the stitch. So I've just done obviously a row of trebles so that I can work a few back across now and show you how to do it. So a front post treble crochet, you want to yarn over, and then we're going to go around the whole of this stitch from the row before. So you want to insert your hook behind the stitch. So you can see I'm going behind the stitch and out the other side. So you're going around the whole of that stitch. You'll then yarn over and pull up, so you'll still have your 3 loops as normal, and you will complete your treble as normal. So you'll yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is your first front post treble crochet. And you can see it pulls it up and it raises it. So I'll show you again. You'll yarn over and then you'll go behind the whole of the stitch. So we'll move on to the next one. So you'll go behind the whole of that stitch and out the other side, yarn over and pull up, and then complete your treble as normal. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'll do one more now. So yarn over, and then we're going to move around the next stitch. So you'll insert your hook around the whole of that stitch and come out the other side, yarn over and pull up, and yarn over and complete your stitch. And you can see now that that has pulled those first 3 trebles towards us. You can see if I turn it on this, on its edge, you can see that it's raised those trebles up. So that is how you complete a front post treble crochet. So that's handy for when you're doing things like the waffle stitch and basket weave and all of those stitches. But that is how you simply complete the stitch itself. But thanks as always for watching, everybody, and I will see you for another simple beginner tutorial very soon.